What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy technoboy, and there you can see these two are the mini bookshelf speakers that I have recently built. Well, the branding are from National, but they are not from National. I installed 3-inch Sweton woofer. As you know that Sweton nowadays they are making very good quality speakers, though they are, all of these speakers don't come through the quality test. Some of them get some problem, manufacturing defect. That's the different thing, but except that they are making pretty quality decent speakers nowadays. And the strange woofers, one of them, they produce very crystal clear sound, and as they are strange, but you cannot expect much of a bass from the speakers, but they are giving what is a pretty good amount of bass as a small speakers. So today I have connected them to this amplifier. It's a S2 amplifier and class D amplifier, so they are connected here, as you can see. So today I'm gonna test them with this amplifier and gonna check the sound of it, the clarity and the bass they can produce. So let's start.
Cause baby, when I'm going for good.
So I recommend you to use the headphone when you're watching this video, so you can understand the sound quality of it. Well, as I can hear right now, like it's a very wonderful crystal clear sound and very good amount of bass, and I think the bass is very good. No subwoofer is there, only these two 3-inch speakers are working, nothing else. So they're producing very good bass and loudness is too high. So let's test.
So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. We're going in. You give me body magic, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. When the day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted, no denying it. Cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in. You give me body magic, yeah.